Looking to boost your gaming experience or give your apps a bit more oomph? Well, adjusting your graphics card performance preferences to high performance mode might just be the solution you're looking for. And hey, if you're all about maximizing your battery life, in this video I'll walk you through both of these options step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To tweak the performance preferences of your graphics card, follow these simple steps. First, let's open up your settings. Then click on System from the menu on the left. Next up, click on Display. After that, scroll down until you find Graphics. Now on this page, you'll see a list of apps you can adjust the graphics performance of. To make changes, just click on the app you want to adjust and then click on Options. A menu will pop up offering you a few choices. You can select Let Windows Decide, allowing the operating system to choose the best performance preferences for the program. Or you can opt for power saving, which helps maintaining smooth operation while conserving battery, particularly useful for laptops. Alternatively, you can choose the high performance mode for the apps, delivering top-notch performance without any restrictions. Once you've chosen your preferred performance preference mode, simply click on Save and you're good to go. Oh, and if you can't find your app on the list, don't fret. Just click on Browse, navigate to where your app is installed, and double-click the program file. It'll then appear in the list, allowing you to adjust its performance settings as desired. Easy as pie. And there you have it. That's how you customize your graphics card performance preferences for individual apps in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.